It's Sunday today and wala kaming gagawin kasi nga hindi kami makalabas ng bahay. So, maghanap lang kung anong magagawa. I'm just gonna get ready kasi I just woke up. It's really nice today. It's so sunny. I will show you outside. Look how beautiful outside. It's really nice and sunny. But don't be fooled because it's cold. Isn't it pretty? It's so calm and so pretty. Diba? Para lang walang nangyayari sa labas. But yeah. And maglo-laundry ako. Kaya baba tayo sa baba kasi lagay ko yun sa washing machine. And laundry day today. Naglagay lang ako ng konting makeup. Naglagay na ako ng kilay, konting foundation, at saka konting lipstick para naman may kulay yung mukha ko. Kahit nandito lang ako sa bahay. O, diba? Bongga. Eh, mahugasin na naman ako. Oh my goodness. Black coffee. We're having bacon and avocado for breakfast. So this is the avocado and that's the toasted muffin we're having on. Here's my breakfast and my husband's breakfast. So there's avocado and toast with a bacon on top and of course a black coffee. Yummy! Why is she pretty? Molly, why is she pretty? Why is she pretty? Why is she pretty? Molly, why is she pretty? So, well, it's cold, sunny and cold. But then Molly, sunbathing. You know what I mean? Like, what a life. Look at her. She's just gonna sleep there. Just, you know, living life like Molly. It is what it is, isn't it? Yan ang aking lunch, guys. Ito yung niluto ko kahapon na green beans at saka pork na gisado ba or adobo. Basta yun. Ang sarap niya. Kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo. Kain tayo, guys. Ang aking lunch. Kasi na dito, tanghali na dito. Kita niyo ba ako? Lang. Ang sarap niya. You know. Ano ba yan? Na-miss ko miss ko mukbang. Kasi dati namumukbang talaga ako. Nag-isip ako, ano lutuin ko pag magmukbang talaga ako. Kasi ako, mukbang, tapos, little vlog. sarap niya lalo. Well. Sarap na. Are you grumpy? What's the matter? Molly's grumpy. I am grumpy. Hey people. I am grumpy. What? Hi people. I'm grumpy. What? What now? Hey, where are you going? Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Molly, man. She just want tickle. He just want tickle. He just want tickle. Here. Molly, look at your face. Look at you. Hello, people. Look at my face. I'm too grumpy. She's sleepy. I am sleepy. You sleeping? Are you gonna sleep? Are you gonna sleep? Molly, man. Hey, leave my laptop alone. Mm. 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 Are you being cute? Are you being cute? I'll leave that to you then. Yo. Yo. Mouse. 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 Molly, come on. Shall we go to Dada? Molly, shall we go to Dada? Mouse, stop being grumpy. She's grumpy. Grumpy. Yo. She's so grumpy. What are you crying for? What are you crying for? Molly, you're so cute. You're so sleepy. Come on then. Come on, you cheek. Good night, everyone, and thank you for watching. Bye.